Hello everybody, this is Great Math number 33 with me, Ethan. I know, it's been a long time since I've ever done this. Really. I mean, such a really long time. But look now. Find the equation in standard form of the line that has 2a, between 2 and 4, and b, 1 and -2. Alright, right now, you have no idea what this is, mainly because, well, in this video, it's all about graphing and stuff. But we aren't actually going to draw a graph, because we don't need to. You can draw a graph if you want. You could just go through the video and draw up a graph if you want, because I'm not going to draw it up. So if you want, you could just draw up the graph if you want, but if you don't, then just watch the video. Anyways, in order to find the equation of the standard form, just find the equation. Oh, take it back. No, not take it back. Anyways, still, you have to find the equation in standard form, but what does standard form even mean? Well, basically it's supposed to be in the form of equation, but seriously though, before we even find the equation, we have to find the slope between these two. And it's basically changing what. So slope is equal to delta y over delta x, or change in y over change in x. But I'm just going to use it as this instead of this, you know. So anyway, moving on. So first step is basically this. Since we talk about change and well, slope, which is well these two. So first we need to describe the change in y, which is 4, which is well, no, not 4. -2 subtracted by 4. The reason why we're subtracting is because we're trying to find the change between these two. And this one's much more higher than this one if you graph it. If you didn't graph it, then, well, this wants to make sense of you actually have to graph it. And divided by, because remember that's y over delta x, 1 minus 4. No. Sorry about that. But anyways, there you go. A whole equation to yourself. Now you just solve it, and then -6 over. So 2 negatives equals a positive. 1 plus 2 equals 3. And this, my friends, will equal to -2. Well, because the -6 is on top, and -6 divided by 3 is -2. Yeah. So now we have the slope. But we aren't finished yet. Because look, we have to find the equation. But the slope isn't the equation. It's just some number. But now to find the equation, it's practically the same thing, except we're going to choose one of these points. But if I were you, I would take the much more recent point. So y minus -2 over x minus 1 equals -2. So simple. First we multiply.
What is x and y again?
X and y.
What did you choose x and y here?
Oh wait, I forgot to explain this. Alright, basically, the y and x are basically like any random point in line except this. But continuing on, we multiply x minus 1 on both sides. These two cancel out. And then y minus plus 2, because remember, it equals negative 2 multiplied by x minus 1. See? Almost finished there. So first we use the distributive property on both sides. Y equals negative 2x plus 2. Usually it's because, well, negative 2 multiplied by negative 1, because, well, the opposition sign is still there. Yeah. Yeah, and then after that you get rid of the 2 on this side, cancels out. Y equals negative 2x plus 2. No, I'm just going to make like negative 2x, because, well, these two also cancel out. So see, pretty simple. But
can you graph it quickly? And show the point on here.
Yeah, you know what, fine. I actually prefer the graph. Really, to be honest. I wasn't trying to be cruel there earlier. I actually did want the graph. Anyways, let me just draw a graph. And I wish there was a time lapse for this thing, because, well, it takes so long to, well, draw this. Really, really long.
Okay, then you don't need to go that far.
Yeah, but I prefer to be that detailed.
So put the point now that you have A and B.
I don't really need any explanation, but yeah, I get your point. Here you go. This is a graph, and this is a line.
Well, it's not completely exact, because does it go in the middle? Does it go in the does it intersect in the middle, x and y, or not?
No, it doesn't.
It doesn't. If y equals minus 2x, for x equals 0, what do I find?
Alright, for x equals 0, what? Y will have to equal.
In your equation. Look at your equation.
Y equals negative 2x.
No. You have the equation you find is y equal minus 2x. Is that right?
Mm-hmm.
So if x equals 0, what do you find for y?
0.
Okay, so then you need to go through the middle. Is that right? Okay, then draw the line correctly. Go.
Oh, yeah, this isn't really drawing to scale though.
Yeah, but you need to go through the middle. Just make sure somehow. Try to. Yes. Yes. Voila. Okay. Make a circle in the middle. Little circle. Yeah. Yeah. In the middle. Yeah. Intersection. X and Y. Where is the point in the middle? Yes. Here. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Good job.
Yeah. So this point, basically, is where y equals about 1. I think. Well, this graph isn't even precise anyway. Well then, thank you everyone for watching this great math video. If you want to watch more, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Later.